So basically, before we close out the free course, you might wonder now, what do I need to do? On what do I need to focus, investing or trading? This is more video for people who are still indecisive after watching the course. So maybe you're thinking about trading, maybe you're thinking about investing, or maybe both. So what I advise, and this is something that I did personally, I did a lot of research in the beginning about investing. That was the beginning that I did. 70% of my time went into investing because that was, in my opinion, like the most important thing. And 30% of my time was invested in trading, learning how to trade. Once I mastered or understood investing well enough to be fully not depending on nobody or nothing anymore, then I started to put all my effort into trading, into the technical skill. In general, learning how to invest is not difficult, but it takes as well time to find out, for example, where the shit projects are or the good projects and stuff like that. It takes time, but eventually you'll get there faster than you think. Now, after I did that, as I said, I focused purely on the technical skills since then. And the reason for that is I always had the mindset of, okay, if I invest good and if I buy low, and let's say trading is eventually nothing for me, then I still have a backup if I'm a losing trader, you know? So that was a little bit the mindset that I had. If I would be of if I turn out as a losing trader, I would have a huge nice backup with investing. And then I would found my thing. Then I would know that investing was more my thing than trading. Even though now it's like 50-50. I love to invest and I love to trade. But yeah, that was a game plan for me to basically figure out if I would rather invest or rather trade. So that's something you can do as well if you're indecisive about your choice. So that's it, guys. Hope you took something from this course and take care. Peace.